Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review BRAUN Epilator. I just received the delivery and I'm so excited to open it and share with you guys. So sit back and relax and enjoy. Epilator. According to Google, it is a device that removes unwanted body hair by pulling it from the roots. It is an electrical device intended to eliminate hair by mechanically grabbing multiple hairs at the same time and pulling them out. It's quite similar to waxing, although unlike waxing, they do not remove dead cells from the surface of the skin. Let's see now what's inside the box. We have the manual, the charger, the brush, and the machine itself. The machine has its rollers attached, then with the epilation head, tweezers, and the release button on both sides, power button with a light. I am into waxing, but I don't do it on my own. I regularly go to salon to have it done, but since this pandemic, I have no plans that I'm going to salon anytime soon. I tried doing it by myself, but it was messy and painful and has caused redness on my skin. Waxing is definitely painful, but what I love about waxing is that it removes unwanted hair completely from its roots. Waxing makes your skin smoother without itchiness because of the slower hair regrowth. Start by positioning the epilator at a 90-degree angle to your skin. But as you will be seeing in the video, my hands were literally shaking because epilating does hurt, especially because it's my first time. I have high tolerance on pain, but since I'm new to epilating, it makes me uncomfortable and little shaky. Don't press the device against your skin, just hold it loosely against it. Then slowly move it in the opposite direction of your hair growth. You can also pull your skin tightly with your other hand so it's easy for the device to glide over. Don't press down too hard. Just simply touch the epilator lightly on your skin. Run the epilator in an upward motion against the direction of the hairs that are growing, so it lifts the shorter hairs, giving you a smoother finish. Again, do it slowly because too fast risks breaking the hair, which may lead to ingrown hairs and instead of the machine pulling the roots. If you are overly sensitive to pain, epilators might not be for you. By the time I'm uploading this video, it has been a week already. So here are my observations on using the BRAUN Epilator. One of the benefits of using it is that you'll get softer skin, and according to my research, the results last longer, around 4 weeks, compared to other hair removal methods like shaving, creams, or tweezing. Next, it's not as messy as waxing, only hairs that will fall from pulling. It is only the hairs which catch in the tweezers, and as there is no product or heat applied to the skin, it is slightly a better choice for those with sensitive skin. Also, just a reminder before you do the epilating, exfoliation is the magic word. Take a warm shower, relax, then exfoliate to avoid your skin having ingrown hairs. Make sure your skin is completely dry before doing the epilating. Keep your skin hydrated because one of the disadvantages of epilation is that it can cause skin dryness. You can apply a nourishing body lotion for the best skin, smooth results, and get set to wake up the following morning with super soft, silky skin. Since I have a sensitive skin, I had slight redness the following day, although they then subsided the day after. As a beginner, I think doing it frequently would make your pain threshold boost. And also shorter hair causes less pain, plus your skin gets used to the tugging and your overall hair growth reduces over time. Similar to waxing benefit, you might need to do it only once a month later on. All in all, BRAUN Epilator is good. It is affordable. I can recommend it to those who cannot go to salon to have waxing done. It is chemical-free, blade-free, while you'll save time and money instead of going to salon. I hope you liked this video. Please comment down below, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!